Hi everyone. Given a positive integer n such that I to some n equals 1, which of the following statements about n must be true? So I'm going to go ahead and give you the answer to this now, and then I'm going to talk about what all this means. So the answer is A. When n is divided by 4, the remainder is 0. So let's talk about it. We know that for the powers of I, remember I equals the square root of -1, we have this. And if you write it out some more, you have I to the 5th. Well, that equals I times I to the 4th. Okay, so because you could use your law of exponents, and that would be 1 plus 5. Well, we know I to the 4th is 1, so that just gives you I again. And you could do the same thing with I to the 6th. We could call that I to the 4th times I squared. And I to the 4th, again, is just 1. So you're back to I squared. I to the 7th, it's going to be I to the 4th times I cubed. So that's going to give you 1 times I cubed. So that's just going to be I cubed again. And then you get I to the 8th. That's I to the 4th times I to the 4th, which is just 1 times 1, which equals 1. So it repeats every 4. So sometimes on ACT tests, what they do, they'll give you something like, what is I to the 101 power? So all you do is you take 4 into 101, and you're going to get 4 goes into that 2 times. So you get 21. So that's 5. Sometimes you can do this in your head. So that's 20. You're subtracting. You get 1. So the remainder is 1. So you just write I to the first power, which is I. If you have I to the 100th, that's just going to be, the remainder is 0. So that's I to the 0 power, which equals 1. Because every fourth multiple is going to give you 1. And we can try another one. Let's try I to the 30th. So if you take 4 into 30, that's going to be 7. Subtract, you get 2. So 2 is your remainder. So you just write this as I squared, which equals -1. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.